Whether you're estimating building a new house, repairing a laptop, or even just something as simple as fixing a leaky tap, you will have come across many different approaches to how someone comes up with a price and time estimate. Software and app projects are no different. So let's look at two of the most commonly used technical estimation methods. Hi, I'm Matt from Spring Digital. Selecting the right price, estimate and pricing contract for any project is not easy. The first challenge for most businesses is actually understanding the project quote itself and all the complexities of it. You can check out my YouTube video on understanding software development quotes to help guide you through this area. When it comes to pricing and contract, you'll often see two models employed by technology companies: time and materials or fixed price contract. A fixed price contract is, well, just as it sounds, a fixed price for the full development of your product. This would include design, development, project management, and the other time and material expenses for the development company to build your product. To get to this point where a price can be fixed, you would have spent a lot of time already with your development company, scoping out the project and ensuring that what they understand you want is actually what you want. This is a great choice when you have these explicitly written requirements, specifications, and the work can easily be understood. At Spring, we find most clients prefer this model as it helps them sleep better at night, knowing they'll get a finished product that's exactly what they want. To get to this point where we can fix the pricing though, we undertake a digital discovery session first to help understand the scope at a high level. We then provide a cost range to ensure the project will be financially viable. At that point, we go through an intensive ideation process designed to pull apart every feature of the project at the smallest level. And then we write requirements, draw up wireframes, define the sitemap, and a work breakdown structure. And this works really well as the investments are smaller to start with. And then when we do start the design and development process, everyone's really clear on what needs to be built. Our clients have a shopping list of detailed features which they can mark off when they're testing what is built. The main drawback to this method is change requests. No matter how long you spend writing requirements and discussing features, invariably, things do come up when you see your product being developed. These would be chargeable under a fixed price contract. The method we suggest you employ here is take 5 to 10% on top of your fixed price contract and keep that in the bank ready for these things. Also known as project contingency, these are amounts you call on if and when you want to tweak what you originally asked for. Now, just one small warning here I have for you on this model. Now, this may be a stereotypical statement here, but it's been my experience, so I wanted to share it with you here. Fixed price agreements where you have a single person or small team project really should be avoided. Development is almost guaranteed to have problems on these type of projects, and the responsibility of features taking longer than expected fall on the developers. Should the numbers no longer stack up from their original fixed price, developers go missing. They abandon projects altogether, or development slows down immeasurably as they need to be able to do other work to ensure the money flows in this week. We've been brought in to rescue so many abandoned projects like this all too often. So just be aware that this model is best suited to an agency or a team-based project development methodology. And on that note, let's look at the other model, time and materials, which is far better when working with these type of people. A time and materials contract is completely different to the fixed price. Its core process is to bill you for the actual hours spent on the project and nothing more. It assumes a high level of competency in the ability to deliver what has been discussed and agreed on in a fair amount of time, and that a trusted relationship exists between the vendor and yourself. As the client, you'll be just told how much time it took and be sent a bill. Now, the main reason clients choose this model is the flexibility and opportunity to adjust requirements as you see the delivered product being built. At Spring, clients which want to take a very active role in the project, have experience in software development or working on similarly complex projects, tend to lean more towards this model. They will be pivoting and shifting directions often and are very involved in the day-to-day of the project. This approach actually underlies agile methodology in software development. The main drawback of this method is throughout the project you will have very little budget predictability, and any estimate provided may not actually deliver you the final product. Clear deadlines for launch needed by the CEO are not available. Figures needed by the finance team to be transferred to the budget and cash flow statement cannot be generated. Company strategy usually requires a price and a time. So this is often where this model becomes discarded for a fixed price. Now, whichever method you choose in your next project, in all cases, we suggest spending a lot of time with yourself or with your development team getting very clear on your scope prior to engaging a development company. Every day you spend in scoping will save a week in development, as in all cases, the clearer you are on your vision and what you're trying to create, the more money and time you will save. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Till next time,